In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up a VPN on your Apple TV. The first thing we need to do is to download a VPN to our Apple TV. So to do this, you want to navigate to the home screen of your Apple TV, and then you want to find the App Store and open that. Once you're inside the App Store, you want to navigate to the search icon in the top navigation menu, and then you want to search for a VPN of your choice. So in this example, I'm going to search for NordVPN. Once you've found it, it should be the top result, which will look like this, so we're going to tap into that. And you want to click on the Get button. However, mine shows the cloud icon because I've downloaded this in the past. Once we've downloaded the VPN application, you want to click on Open. When you open NordVPN for the first time, you'll be taken to this login screen. So you want to click on Login, and then you want to agree to the privacy policy, and then you want to log into your NordVPN account. However, if you don't have one, I recommend you click on the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code that's on screen to get up to 73% off your NordVPN subscription. When you sign into NordVPN for the first time, you'll be taken to the home screen, which will look like this. Now all we need to do is connect to a VPN server. So if you click on the Quick Connect button, that's going to connect you to the nearest server that's closest to you, giving you the best performance. Alternatively, you can search for a server from a specific country from anywhere around the world by scrolling through this list. Now if you want to search for a server specifically, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and in the navigation bar click on the search icon, and then you want to go ahead and search for the VPN server. So for this example, I'm going to search for the United States. Once you've done this, it should appear below, and you simply want to click on it. Now because this is our first time, we will need to set up a VPN configuration profile, so you want to click on Allow, and then after a couple of seconds you'll be successfully connected to that VPN server from that country. Now if you want to connect to a VPN server from a specific town in that country, you want to go back to the home page, and then you want to search for that VPN country. So for this example, it's United States. Now you want to click down on your Apple TV remote, and you can go ahead and select a country from here. However, we're happy with the server we are connected to, so we're going to exit out of the VPN application, and we can start using our Apple TV just as we normally would. So for this example, I'm going to sign into my Netflix account and select a profile. And once we are signed in, we will now be using the Netflix version that we selected in that country. So for this example, it's going to be the United States version of Netflix. And we can show you this by here, it says top 10 TV programs in the US today. So we can go ahead and start using Netflix just as we normally would. And that's it. So remember to click on the link in the description of this video to get up to 73% off your NordVPN subscription. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.